Hello everyone, this is Fabio Carvalho and you're watching now Adisra SmartView course. Today's topic is the object image. We will continue working on the beer factory application. In this first part, I will show you how to use a dynamic image. We will also make use of a service to change that image depending on the time of the day. On the next videos, I will show you how to add images to an ellipse object. And we will change the interface a little bit to make it look nicer. Let's open the main screen. This is the images folder. It reflects all the images that were already added to the application. There's a folder if you look in the Windows Explorer, for example, and you're going to be able to find all of them. In order to show you how to use a dynamic image, let's create a new screen. New document. We're gonna insert an image object. It should use the entire size of the page. Just gonna get the correct dimensions for the new screen. Okay. So now let's stretch it. Okay. Yeah, so now the image is already selected. We can just specify now a tag for it. So I'm gonna create a new folder for that. And let's add a new document. We could create the tag from here. You probably already saw that in other videos, but I'm just gonna leave this document empty for now, and we're gonna create the tag from the property grid. Okay, so let's just save the document, leave it empty, and here I'm gonna put the name of the tag. I want that to be inside the document we created as integer. Okay. So we already selected the checkbox dynamic image. You can see the tag was created, and since it's dynamic, it can change during runtime. So I already created a few screens from Google SketchUp. So it's the appearance of the factory you're gonna see in the runtime. If it receives value 0, it's gonna show you day image, and if it receives value 1, it's gonna show you the night image. So let's use a service for that. I'm gonna just put a description here, and let's write on C# if datetime.now.hour less than 16, for example. If current time is less than 18 or 6 p.m. I'm gonna set the tag, the current factory image tag, to 0, and we're gonna show the image of the factory during the day. If not, we're gonna set it to 1, and we're gonna show the night image of the factory. Let's save that service. Let's just give a name for that. Okay. Oops, there's an error here. Let's just check the engineering log. There's an error on line 4. Yeah, line 4. So yeah, we're just missing the equals here. Yeah, let's save it again. Successful. And yeah, we can move on. So we already specified the tag on the dynamic image, and we can check in the next videos how to look on the runtime. Bye bye.